Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best scented tea lights is probably one of the most versatile and charming additions to any home. These small, yet impactful candles offer a delightful blend of light and fragrance, perfect for creating a relaxing ambience or setting the mood for a special evening. Their compact size makes them ideal for various settings, from intimate dinners to cozy nights in, enhancing the atmosphere with both visual warmth and captivating scents. Number 5. Pumpkin Spice 16 ounces 3-wick soy candle. Searching for the perfect gift? Look no further. This candle is shaped like a pumpkin and filled with the delightful scent of pumpkin spice. It's the ideal present for any pumpkin spice enthusiast. This handcrafted, hand-poured candle offers a premium experience. It's an extra-large 16-ounce size with a burn time of 55 to 60 hours, perfect for any room. Each piece is unique, with slight variations that enhance its beauty. Send warm wishes with this gift set. It includes a large, printed giftable box, a 3-wick candle, and a stylish lid. The rich pumpkin spice scent makes it a thoughtful and appreciated present. This candle is designed to be pet-friendly and non-toxic. It's a clean-burning soy candle with essential oils, effectively eliminating pet odors in your home. The jar is dishwasher-safe, allowing for easy recycling. You can repurpose the gorgeous design as a permanent fall decor fixture in your home. Enjoy the candle and its lasting beauty. What we like? This candle smells just like fall in a pumpkin patch, offering a warm and inviting aroma. Its unique pumpkin shape adds a touch of whimsy to any space. If you are looking for a gift for a pumpkin spice lover, or want to add a festive touch to your home decor, this is the perfect choice. What people say? They are awesome, smells are truly clean and natural, and they burn for about 4–2 hours. Burn time longer than most, and clean smokeless fragrance fills the room. The candles shipped really fast. They are good quality candles, burns clean. Number 4. Vanilla Bean Tealight Candles, Bakery and Food Collection. These Vanilla Bean Tealight candles are part of the Bakery and Food Collection. They are designed to provide beautiful candlelight in any traditional tea light holder. Made in the USA with natural and essential oils, this product is completely non-toxic. It features a clean-burning natural fiber wick. These tea lights are hand-poured with a classic food-grade natural paraffin wax blend. They are highly scented and designed to burn all the way to the edge. Each pack contains 6 tea light candles. Each candle is 1.5 inches in diameter and contains 1–2 ounces of wax. Each tea light will burn for approximately 5 hours. The product offers a great scent throw, perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. What we like? This candle offers a rich and comforting vanilla bean fragrance, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. Made in the USA with natural oils, it ensures a clean and safe burn. If you like the sweet and inviting scent of vanilla and want a reliable, long-lasting candle, you should consider this. What people say? They are small but last a good amount of time. These are high-quality candles. They burned one evening during a storm for over 4 hours, and the plastic cups were not melted on any of them. A couple things I really appreciate: they burn evenly, and the wicks are centered in the middle of the candle. You can tell they are poured consistently. Number 3. Eucalyptus Leaf Tea Light Candles, Fresh and Clean Collection. These tea light candles are highly scented with essential and natural oils. They are designed to provide beautiful bright light. The candles feature a clear cup. This design allows the light to shine brightly in any traditional tea light candle holder. These candles are made in the USA. They are crafted with natural and essential oils, ensuring a clean burn. Each candle uses a natural fiber, lead-free wick. It's completely non-toxic, ensuring a safe and pleasant experience. The eucalyptus leaf tea lights are hand-poured. They use a classic food-grade natural paraffin wax blend for a great scent throw. The tea lights are highly scented. They are designed to burn all the way to the edge and bottom, providing a good scent throw. Each pack contains 6 candles. Each candle is 1.5 inches in diameter and contains 1–2 ounces of wax. What we like? This candle fills your space with the refreshing scent of eucalyptus, creating a spa-like ambience. Made in the USA with natural oils, it ensures a clean and safe burn. If you are looking to create a relaxing and rejuvenating atmosphere, this is a great choice. What people say. The fragrance is beautiful with a great throw. Was able to burn multiple times. They last a good 5 to 6 hours. Number 2. IKEA Sinnlig Vanilla Pleasure Scented Tealight. Today, we're highlighting the IKEA Sinnlig Scented Tealight. This product is designed to bring a pleasant vanilla scent to your home. It's a simple way to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. These tea lights are infused with the delightful scent of vanilla pleasure. The fragrance is consistent throughout the entire burn time, ensuring a long-lasting aroma. It's perfect for creating a relaxing environment. Each tea light has a burning time of approximately 4 hours. The candle is colored and scented all the way through, so the color and scent remain consistent. This allows you to enjoy it for a good amount of time. Each package contains 30 tea lights, providing you with plenty to use. The package is designed to be compact and easy to store. It's a great value for creating ambience. The tea lights are designed by IKEA of Sweden, known for their quality and design. The candle cup is made of aluminum, and the candle itself is made of paraffin and vegetable wax. It's a simple yet elegant addition to your home decor. What we like. This candle offers a pleasant vanilla scent, perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. With a pack of 30, it provides long-lasting enjoyment. If you are looking for an affordable and long-lasting vanilla-scented candle, you should consider this. What people say. These candles are nice burning and smell wonderful if you like vanilla. The scent is good and lasts. The scent is soft and long-lasting. Great candles especially at this price. Number 1. English Lavender Tea Light Candles, Floral Collection. These beautiful tea light candles are from the Floral collection. They are designed to provide a beautiful, bright light in any traditional tea light candle holder. Made in the USA, these candles are crafted with natural and essential oils. They are completely non-toxic and safe to use. The candles are hand-poured with a classic food-grade natural paraffin wax blend. This ensures a great scent throw that fills the room. These floral tea lights are highly scented and designed to burn completely. You can enjoy the fragrance all the way to the bottom. Each pack contains 12 tea light candles, each with 1-2 ounces of wax. Each candle has a burn time of approximately 5 hours, providing long-lasting enjoyment. What we like. This candle fills your space with the calming and soothing scent of English lavender. Made in the USA with natural oils, it ensures a clean and safe burn. If you like the relaxing aroma of lavender and want to create a peaceful environment, it is a great choice. What people say. They burn completely all the way down. No black smoke or residue. I love the rose, which is deeply fragrant. They don't burn out quickly. Long-lasting scent. These tea light candles smell great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.